Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Jamaica Stock Exchange says it realized net profits of $416.5 million Jamaican dollars on a 17% jump in its revenues to $2.3 billion during the 9-month period, which ended on September 30 this year. Stephen Whittingham, chairman of the company, and CEO Livingston Morrison, says the group's performance was fair during the period given the challenging market conditions. This compares with $364.4 million on revenues of $2 billion during the corresponding period last year. Whittingham and Morrison suggested that a significant improvement in the group's financial performance will require more activities from investors and companies in the market. The company's total assets rose by $247.8 million to $3.6 billion this year, primarily due to an increase in its holdings of repurchase agreements. For the trading period ending December 9, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. JMMB Group Limited, 9.5% stock with 6,862,767 units, representing 25.93% of market sales volume. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,664,273 units, representing 10.07% of market sales volume. Elite Diagnostic Limited with 2,556,701 units, representing 9.66% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 9, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $47.98 million purchased and US $72.64 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.85 per dollar, selling the US at $159.29 and buying the US at $161.14. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 71 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.71 and buying at $116. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.56 in profits, with selling at $212.77 and buying at $210.21. For our credit report tip of the day, as you move through your holiday errands and gift shopping, this is the perfect moment to take charge of your credit instead of letting the season drain your momentum. Make your year-end to-do list work for you. Download your free credit report, scan every line for outdated details or suspicious activity, and call your bank's customer service team immediately to correct anything that doesn't look right. Channel any bonus or extra income straight into lowering balances. Set firm spending limits before you head into any celebration, and lock in your bill payments so that nothing slips through the cracks. When you act decisively, December becomes more than a festive season. It becomes a power move that strengthens your credit and positions you to hit January running. In our funded and focused feature, a powerful incubator or accelerator gives participants something priceless: momentum. Instead of guessing their way through business setup, money management, and funding strategy, founders move through each stage with pace, clarity, and confidence. The return on investment shows up fast. Legal structures completed, finances cleared up, bank accounts opened, and funding opportunities identified. It's the difference between sitting on a great idea and actually building a business that earns, attracts capital, and gets noticed. For women founders especially, the payoff is exciting: real progress, real traction, and a business that's finally moving the way They always knew it could. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.